Now today we start new topic higher order derivative. So up to previous lecture we find a derivative and that derivative called first order derivative. See here y equals to f of x. If y is a differentiable function of x, then a derivative of y we represent by dy by dx or f dash of x or y1 or y dash. So you can use any notation for first order derivative. If this first order derivative is again differentiable with respect to x, then its derivative we write d by dx of dy by dx or f dash of x we write f double dash of x. This y1 we write y2 and this y dash we write y double dash. If this d by dx of dy by dx we also write as d2y by dx2. This dy by dx also written as dy, that means derivative of given function with respect to y. So this d2y by dx2 we denote by d2y. So these are the notations for this second order derivative. If we find dy by dx, then this is first order derivative. If first order derivative again differentiate, if that function is differentiable, then we differentiate that, and that derivative is called second order derivative. And if we further differentiate second order derivative, then we get third order derivative, and third order derivative denoted by d3y or d3y by dx3, or here we write d by dx of d2y by dx2. This f double dash of x we write f triple dash of x. This y2 if we differentiate we write y3. Instead of y double dash we write the y triple dash for third order derivative. That means if we find nth derivative, then nth derivative we write dny or dny by dxn. Here we write f double dash of, here you can write d by dx of dn minus 1 y by dx n minus 1, and this f triple dash we write fn of x. We write here yn and y raised to the power n. In this way we denote the nth order derivative. So all these derivative d2y by dx2, d3y by dx3 and dny by dxn are all higher order derivative. That means for finding the second order derivative, we have to first find the first order derivative. From that we find the third order derivative, fourth order derivative, and so on. So all these are higher order derivatives. Now see exercise 1.5, main question 1. Find the second order derivative of following. See first sub question, 2x raised to the power 5 minus 4x cube minus 2 upon x square minus 9. First we represent the given function as y. So write in solution, let y is equal to 2x raised to the power 5 minus 4x cube minus 2 upon x square minus 9. So before differentiating, first we observe the terms. We can apply x raised to the power 5 means derivative of x raised to the power n. Here x raised to the power 3. For this also we apply x raised to the power n. Here this upon x square, 2 upon x square, that means we have to write this power in numerator. For changing its power, so we write y is equal to 2x raised to the power 5 minus 4 into x raised to the power 3 minus 2 into x raised to the power minus 2 minus 9. Because we don't have formula for 1 upon x square, so we write here differentiate with respect to x. Then derivative of y with respect to x, we write dy by dx. Here we have to find the derivative of first term, derivative of second term, derivative of third term, derivative of fourth term. So we write here 2 is constant. So write derivative of x raised to the power 5 minus 4 is constant. Derivative of x raised to the power 3, 2 is constant. Derivative of x raised to the power minus 2 minus d by dx of 9. Because 9 is a single constant. So write here 2 as it is. Derivative of x raised to the power 5 is 5 into x raised to the power 4 minus derivative of x raised to the power 3 is 3 into x raised to the power 2 minus 2 into derivative of x raised to the power minus 3 minus 2 into x raised to the power minus 3 minus derivative of 9, which is single constant, so its derivative we write 0. Now first we calculate all the values. So here 5 to the 10 x raised to the power 4 minus 4 3 12, so 12 x raised to the power 2 minus minus gets plus 2 to the 4 x raised to the power minus 3. Now this is first order derivative. Now we have to differentiate this again with respect to x, because this is a differentiable function. So right here again differentiate with respect to x. So derivative of dy by dx is equals to, so we have to find here derivative of first term minus derivative of second term minus derivative of third term. So we write here derivative directly. 10 into derivative of first term, that is derivative of x raised to the power 4 is 4 into x raised to the power 3 minus 12 into derivative of 12x square. So we write here derivative of x square as 2 into x, derivative of 4 x raised to the power minus 3. So write 4 into minus 3 into x raised to the power minus 4. So d by dx of dy by dx, we write d2y by dx2. So write here 40x cube minus 24x, and here plus minus we get minus 12, and we write this x raised to the power minus 4 in denominator. So write x raised to the power plus 4. So in this way we find derivative of given function as dy by dx first, then again differentiate that first order derivative, we get a second order derivative. So in this way we find second order derivative. Now see second sub question, e raised to the power 2x into tan x. Here we have to apply product rule. So write in solution, let y is equal to e raised to the power 2x into tan x. Differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of y with respect to x, we write dy by dx. Here we have to apply product rule. So first function into derivative of second. So derivative of tan x, we get sec square x plus tan x into derivative of first. So here e raised to the power 2x is composite function. So derivative of e raised to the power 2x is e raised to the power 2x into derivative of 2x is 2. So write e raised to the power 2x into 2 as the derivative of e raised to the power 2x. Now we have to again differentiate this function with respect to x. So before that we write this as e raised to the power 2x, in bracket we write this sec square as 1 plus tan x. So sec square x, we write 1 plus tan square x plus tan x. This 2 we write at first position. So write plus 2 into tan x into e raised to the power 2x. if you observe, we can take e raised to the power 2x, e raised to the power 2x common from both the terms. So right here e raised to the power 2x in bracket 1 plus tan square x plus 2 into tan x. If we write 1 as a 1 square, so we write here e raised to the power 2x in bracket 1 square plus tan x its bracket square plus 2 into tan x into 1. Then this is simplification of 1 plus tan x its bracket square. So we write here, therefore dy by dx is equals to e raised to the power 2x in bracket 1 plus tan x its bracket square. So differentiate again with respect to x. So derivative of tan x, derivative of dy by dx, we get d2y by dx2. Here for RHS again we have to apply product rule. So write first function into derivative of second. So we write here first power rule. So write power in multiplication 2 into 1 plus tan x and reduce its power by 1. Then we find derivative of this bracket, derivative of 1 we get 0, derivative of tan x we get sec square x. So first function into derivative of second plus second function, that is 1 plus tan x its square into derivative of first. So derivative of e raised to the power 2x is e raised to the power 2x into derivative of 2x is 2. So right here e raised to the power 2x, these two we write at first position. So e into 2 into e raised to the power 2x, 1 plus tan x, 0 plus sec square x, we write sec square x plus 2 write at first position. So 2 in bracket 1 plus tan x its bracket square into e raised to the power 2x. Again here we can take 2 e raised to the power 2x common from both the terms. So write twice e raised to the power 2x in bracket. Here we get 1 plus tan x into sec square x plus 1 plus tan x its bracket square. So you can simplify this, or you can directly write 1 plus tan x bracket square as 1 plus tan square x plus 2 tan x. So in this way we find a second order derivative d2y by dx. Now try question number 3 yourself. So see question number 4, x cube into log x. So here we consider this given function as y. So write in solution, let y is equals to x cube into log x. So here for right hand side, if we differentiate, we have to apply product rule. So right here differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of y with respect to x, we write dy by dx is equals to, for RHS we have to apply product rule. So first function is x cube. So first function into derivative of second. So derivative of log x we write 1 by x plus second function into derivative of first. Derivative of first, that is derivative of x cube is 3x square. So here 1x get cancelled. So we write here x square plus 3x square into log x. Now this is first order derivative. Now we have to find second order derivative. For that we have to differentiate this dy by dx again with respect to x. So right here differentiate with respect to x. So we get a derivative of dy by dx as a d2y by dx2. Then here for RHS we have to find derivative of first term plus derivative of second term. So while finding the derivative of second term, we have to apply again product rule. So first we write this as d by dx of x square plus d by dx of 3x square into log x. So here derivative of x square we write twice x plus we consider this 3x square as first term. So write here 3x square into first function into derivative of second. So derivative of log x we write 1 by x plus second function that is log x into derivative of this 3x square. So here 3 is constant, we have to find derivative of x square which is twice x. So again here this x get cancelled with 1x from this x square. So we write here 2x plus 3x plus 3 into 2 6x first. So 6x into log x. So write this as 5x plus 6x into log x, or you can take x common from both the terms. So write d2y by dx2 as 5x plus 6x into log x.